Hello, hello, my people. Welcome back to your favorite finance channel. How are you all doing today? It's your girl, Badamosi Omalola, and I'm so excited to take you on a journey to unlock hidden treasures aka savings in your everyday life. Today, we're going on a budget scavenger hunt to uncover money you didn't even know you were losing. You'll learn step by step how to find these hidden savings with real life examples, challenges, and even some surprises. So stick with me to the end because this is going to be a life-changing adventure. Ever feel like your paycheck disappears too quickly? Well, let's fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look to find hidden cash without changing your lifestyle drastically. Oh, and before we start, quick challenge: grab your phone and open your notes app or a notebook. As we go along, jot down 1 or 2 tips you'll try today. Let's make this interactive. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who could use a little extra savings in their life. We're all in this together. Let's jump in, grab your phone, a notebook, and let's start hunting. Alright, let's kick things off with something sneaky: forgotten subscriptions. These are like little holes in your wallet, tiny, but they add up fast. Open your bank app, credit card statement, or email inbox. Look for charges from apps, memberships, or services. Think gym memberships, streaming platforms, or that random cloud storage plan you never use. Cancel the ones you don't use. Many services make this tricky, but apps like Truebill or Rocket Money can cancel subscriptions for you. Check for annual subscriptions, they're the most commonly forgotten. One viewer, Tonde, told me he found 3 subscriptions he'd completely forgotten about, saving $12 or 20,000 naira a month. That's $144 or 240,000 naira a year. Imagine what you could do with that money. How much do you think you're spending on unused subscriptions? Go check, and let us know in the comments. You might just surprise yourself. Next stop, coupons and discount codes. Who doesn't love a good bargain, right? Before you shop online, Google for promo codes or use browser extensions like Honey or PiggyVest to find instant savings. Check out loyalty programs, cashback apps, or store reward systems. These are pure gold. Don't forget physical coupons from supermarkets or flyers. If you shop at places like ShopRite or Spar, ask about ongoing promotions. Here's a hot tip: some stores have apps with exclusive deals or discounts for members. Download them and check for flash sales before you shop. Just last week, I bought a new blender for $9 or 18,000 naira instead of $15 25,000 naira because I stacked a 20% discount code with a store promotion. That's a win-win. Oh, and don't sleep on holiday sales or end-of-season discounts. They're a gold mine for deals on clothes, gadgets, and home items. Another idea? Keep an eye out for buy one, get one free deals. They're perfect for stocking up on essentials or splitting costs with friends. What's the best deal you've ever scored? Share your coupon success stories below. I can't wait to hear them. Time to tackle those utility bills, another area where savings are hiding. Review your current bills and compare rates from other providers. Call your utility companies, yes, actually call them and ask for discounts or promotions. Many companies offer loyalty discounts, bundling offers, or prepaid bonuses. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Over time, they save you thousands on electricity bills. If you live in a hot region, use solar-powered gadgets to cut down electricity costs. Here's another tip: unplug devices when they're not in use. Did you know that leaving things like chargers, microwaves, and TVs plugged in still uses electricity? It's called phantom power, and it can quietly add to your bill. Also, check for leaks in your plumbing system. Fixing a leaky faucet or pipe could save you money on your water bill. My cousin, Deo, switched to prepaid electricity and reduced her bill by $6 or 10,000 naira a month. That's over $69 or 100,000 naira annually. Have you tried negotiating your bills before? Let us know how it went in the comments. If not, try it today, it's worth the effort. Now, let's turn to your home, aka your hidden treasure chest. I'm talking about selling clutter. Go through your home and identify items you haven't used in the last year. Think clothes, books, old electronics, and kitchen gadgets. List these items on platforms like Kijiji, OLX, or Facebook Marketplace. Add good photos and honest descriptions to sell quickly. Host a garage sale if you have a lot of items to get rid of. It's a fun way to make cash while decluttering. And here's a bonus tip: bundle similar items together for a better deal. Buyers love a good combo offer. One viewer, Anita, sold an old fridge and a pile of unused clothes and made 50,000 Nigerian nairas in a single weekend. What's hiding in your house that could be worth some cash? Start your decluttering treasure hunt and tell me what you find. Alright, hunters, our next stop is the grocery store. This is where you can save big if you know how to shop smart. Always make a list before you shop, stick to it. This prevents impulse buys and helps you focus on what you truly need. Compare prices between supermarkets, local markets, and online stores. Bulk buying for items like rice, beans, and oil can save a lot. But don't forget to check expiration dates when buying in bulk. It's only a deal if you use it all. Shop in season fruits and veggies, they're cheaper, fresher, and packed with nutrients. Avoid pre-packaged items, buy in bulk instead. And here's a tip: some markets lower prices toward the end of the day to clear out stock, so timing matters too. Don't overlook store brands, they're often just as good as name brands but cost a fraction of the price. Plus, many supermarkets have their own rewards or loyalty programs that can help you save more. A viewer, Aid, switched from shopping at a fancy store to a local market and saved 15,000 Nigerian nairas on groceries in a single month. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. What are your best grocery shopping hacks? Share them below, we're all learning from each other here. Finally, let's talk about cashback rewards and bank deals. Check your bank's app for cashback offers on shopping, dining, or bills. Many banks partner with stores to give discounts to customers. Use credit cards with cashback or reward points, but only if you pay them off fully each month. Some banks offer discounts on tuition fees or bulk payments. Always ask about these hidden benefits. You can also look out for seasonal promos or bonus rewards programs during holidays. These can give you even more value. A viewer, Shai, earned $12 or 25,000 naira in cashback last year just by paying her bills through her bank's app. Pro tip: some banks let you redeem points for gift cards, travel, or even groceries. Explore your options. Are you using your bank's rewards program? If not, you're leaving money on the table. We covered a lot today, didn't we? From forgotten subscriptions to grocery hacks and cashback rewards, there's no shortage of ways to unlock hidden savings. Here's your challenge: start with one area today and share your results in the comments. Let's turn this into a fun community challenge. Who can uncover the most savings? Hit that subscribe button, don't miss out on more money saving tips like this. BOOP the like button if you had fun hunting savings with me today. Comment below with your best tips, questions, or even new topics you'd like me to cover. I'll be reading every single comment, so let's keep the conversation going. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring, it's an adventure. Until next time, keep hunting, keep growing, and keep smiling. Bye for now.